got this truck here. Can't really seem to find any videos online about this truck. Well, I can find videos, sorry. There's plenty of videos out there, but it's all in foreign. You know what I mean? It's all in foreign and I can't understand it. So, yeah. Couple of French videos. Yeah. But can't understand what they're saying. I just bought the truck anyway, man. Let's open it up. It's the Hobbytech Rogue Terra XL size and so on and so forth. Red and green. That's a box. I've got the red version and the green version. I wanted the red version, but they ran out of stock. Let's open it up. Got this again on Motorsport UK. I was actually looking for. I was looking at the FTX Rockatan. Was it the Rockatan? The Apache. Sorry. No, the Rockatan, the Apache. I was looking at the FTX. Another one they've got out. The Ram Raider. Yeah. So this looks like, it looks similar to a Ram Raider, man, but this has got special features, man. I'll try and go over the cars good as I can. What's in the car? It's the back side. It's on the back side. I've opened the box the opposite way around. Let's pull it out anyway. Let's try and get this car out of the box. Seems to have been packed all right. What's in here? Falling on the floor, man. Get rid of all this. Put this down. Right, what you get with a car. Let me just fix this mat. Right, just instructions, no tools. Yeah, as I said, man, this is Hobbytech. I've heard of Hobbytech, but this car now, and it's not a Ram Raider knockoff, because this car's been out a good few years. As I said, I was still watching the videos, although I couldn't understand what the hell they were saying in that. You know what I mean? Couple of unboxing videos I watched. Videos about 3-4 years old. So this truck's been out a good few years. So man can't say it's a Ram Raider knockoff or FTX Ram Raider clone, because the Ram Raider has only been out. It's a pretty new truck, isn't it? The Ram Raider, FTX Ram Raider 10 scale. You know what I mean? I got the green version. Got the green. So yeah, or maybe it comes like a fucking Armour Notorious, man, or Armour Outcast, because look at the back of this roll cage here. You can actually put flints in the thing, man. Look, it's got holes to put flints on, so you get sparkage. I have to read the instructions, innit? Because as I said, this is a new truck, man. This is pretty new brand, Hobbytech. I didn't know Hobbytech make RCs, but this is the controller anyway you get with the thing. Yeah, your basic steering trim, throttle trim. What else you got on it? I think this has actually got a throttle limiter as well. I think it takes four AA batteries. What else? That's all that's in the box. Before I open up the body on this truck, let me just compare it with my Maverick MT Flux 10 scale. The new one, the Rogue Raid or whatever it is, the Rogue Terra. You can see the one sec. You can see the size difference. Maverick Quantum Plus Flux. And Hobbytech Rogue Terra is bigger. As it states on the box, it's XL version. And this truck, it's also got a center diff as well, isn't it? You know what I mean? It's got a center diff. So 3 working diffs. That's why I decided to get it instead of the FTX Apache I was looking at, and the FTX, was it the Rakuten? Also the FTX Ram Raider MT truck. So let's just trying to get some light so you people can see the car properly, man. It's got, let me just show, tethers. It's got tethers on here, body tethers. Let me just undo this. Fixment for the roll cage. It's got roll cage. The body seems pretty thick as well, man. You got roll cage. You got roll cage. Not roll cage. Skid, whatever, roof slides to protect your road, to protect your body, innit? And the body's quite thick, man. It's quite a thick body. So I might do my Gorilla Tape job though on it, just to protect it some more. But this is the car. That's the inside of the car with the body off. As I say, it's got a working center diff. It's got an 80M ESC. I think it's a Hobbywing clone ESC. I'm not sure the KV of the motor. Fan on the motor. 25 tooth spline servo. All full shocks. All full shocks. Yeah, all filled. The front seems a bit, I might have to adjust the shock collars, man. They're wound all the way down, innit? I'll have to adjust it. As I said, I'm sure this truck's got a center diff, man. Yeah, 3 working differentials, front, rear and center. I'll have to check again, but when I was reading the description, it said center diff. So, but the spur gear is plastic, and parts parts and shit, and a bit of upgrades for this car is variable, because Motorsports they've got parts for this truck, but most of it is available to order, you know what I mean? And also on eBay, there's plenty of parts for this truck on eBay as well, so that's why I bought it. The tyres are quite firm. They're quite firm tyres, man. Not too soft, not too hard, but yeah. I think we'll leave it here with this vid, man. Dean's plug. What else it got? Dog bones. Is it CVD dog bones this thing's got? This truck was about £30 more than the FTX vehicles I was looking at. All three of the FTX cars, the Ram Raider, the Apache, and the other car, they're all about the same kind of price range, about £250 odd, 249, £250 odd. So this one was £280, this truck. So £280. You got a bigger ampage ESC than the FTX range cars. I think they come with a 50 amp ESC, the Apache and the Ram Raider, etc, etc. The KV motor, I'm not sure, as I said. Good servo. I think the steering servo is something like a 17 kilogram steering servo. Let me see. It stayed on the box. Sent in steering servo, sent in kilogram, servo upgraded. Yeah, as I said, I've never heard of this truck, man. I didn't even know it exists, and I keep repeating myself. The videos out there, there's bare videos out there, but it's all in foreign, isn't it? The battery tray. Let me just show the battery tray. It's a clip system, innit? If I can remember, it's a clip. How does it go? Yeah, like that. It's a clip thingamajig. Battery tray like that. That's a battery tray. As I said, 2 to 3S capable. So yeah, leave it here with this vid, man. Yeah, so that's a truck. New truck. New brand to me anyway. As I said, I don't think this is no clone to the Ram Raider, because this truck, the vids I've been watching, well, trying to watch, pretty old vids, 3-4 years old vids. So this truck's been out a while, you know what I mean? I'll put the body clips on this truck later, man. Leave it here with this vid. The shocks might need adjusting. Bigger, thicker shock oil in the shocks. It's got wheelie bar, same as what it's got in the Maverick. Leave it here.